If your e-commerce store is stuck and sales aren't growing, don't worry, you're not alone. I have helped brands from literally all over the world go from struggling to scaling, and today I'm gonna break down why most e-commerce businesses fail and how you can fix those issues. I am Gaston and I help brands from all over the world unlock growth through smart marketing and proven strategies. So if you're serious about growing your brand and growing your store, hit that subscribe button because I'll be dropping game-changing content here every week. One of the main reasons stores don't grow is because they are attracting the wrong traffic. Maybe they're running ads or posting content on social media, but if your visitors don't buy, something is off. Three of the most common mistakes store owners do is targeting the wrong audience with paid ads, a poor messaging that doesn't connect with the ideal buyer, or just relying on vanity traffic instead of buyer. What does that mean? Just rely on having likes or more followers instead, or connecting and attract new buyers. Another huge issue that I see with my clients is bad offers and low perceived value products. If your product isn't selling, chances are your offer sucks. People don't just buy products, they buy outcomes, they buy transformations. For example, will you buy a random skincare product for $40? Probably not. But if I tell you like this serum erases wrinkles in 7 days and is used by celebrities, now it's a no-brainer. How you can fix this? Make your offer irresistible. Improve your product positioning and create bonuses, create urgency for your clients. The easiest hack will be improving your guarantee. If your product is good, back it up with confidence so clients notice that and they can rely and they can trust your products and what you sell. The other huge issue that I see with stores nowadays is weak to no retention at all. So if you're focusing on getting new customers every single week, every single month, you're literally burning money. Retention is where profit is made. That doesn't mean that you don't have to bring new clients. You just have to retain the ones that you already have. Brands that win in e-commerce are the ones that bring customers back. If you don't have an email or an SMS strategy, you're literally leaving thousands of dollars on the table. This is an issue that is really easy to fix. You just need to set up an automated flow. You should set up a flow for abandoned carts, a post-purchase follow-ups. You can do VIP rewards. You just need to keep people who are already buying from your store engaged in what you sell and what you do. You can use any email automated tools and just start nurturing your customers. It is literally 10 times cheaper to sell to an existing customer to acquire a new one. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be dropping more strategies and more content every week. And if you need a personalized help with your store or with your brand, just check the link below. I will be more happy to help you. And thank you for your time. See you in the next video.